Halo guys, di video kali ini kita akan menyaksikan reaksi seorang bule yang sangat terkesan dengan teknologi ATM yang ada di Indonesia. Teknologi yang modern, canggih, dari fitur-fitur hingga kemudahan penggunaannya. Bule ini tidak bisa menyembunyikan kekagumannya guys, dengan adanya teknologi canggih yang ada di mesin ATM Indonesia ini. Unik loh guys, lucu loh guys. Yuk kita saksikan videonya guys sampai habis ya guys. Let's go.
Guys, I found something else that the amazing Indonesian ATMs can do that our ATMs in America cannot do. If you saw my other ATM videos, you know that at an Indonesian ATM, you can not only check your balance and withdraw money, but you can pay electric bills, you can buy plane tickets, you can send money to other people's bank accounts, all of these amazing things that we cannot do in the US. But you guys, look what else I saw that Indonesian ATMs do. Back in the US, I rarely use an ATM machine. But in Indonesia, there are so many things you can do in an ATM other than just withdraw cash. For example, you can pay your water bill, your electricity bill, your gas bill, your internet or cable bill. You can even pay for a plane ticket at the ATM. You can pay insurance payments or loan payments. You can top up mobile banking apps. It's just wild, the things you can do at an Indonesian ATM. You can even transfer money directly from your bank account to another person's bank account, even if it's a totally different bank than yours. I absolutely love ATMs and mobile banking in this country. I keep meaning to answer this and I forget. But Indonesian ATMs and the ATMs in the US are different. In Indonesia, you can send money from bank to bank, you can pay bills, you can buy airline tickets, or all sorts of stuff. But in the US, we really only use the ATM to withdraw cash, deposit cash or checks, or check your balance.
Nah inilah guys, jadi ATM kita di Indonesia ini memiliki banyak fitur-fitur atau layanan-layanan unggulan guys. Nggak sama kayak ATM, mesin ATM yang ada di Amerika sana guys. Kalau kita di Indonesia, kita bisa mempergunakan mesin ATM itu untuk membayar tagihan, beli tiket pesawat, bayar listrik, beli gas gitu. Tapi kalau di Amerika itu ATM itu cuma bisa ngecek saldo, tarik tunai, transfer. Itu katanya guys.
And it's not really about how the technology is more advanced in one country or the other, but it's more about how the banks are networked. And so because American banks are not networked the same way the Indonesian banks are, they don't communicate the same way. So it's less about technology and more about networking, but I feel those comments come up. The ATM features are less about technology and more about how the banks communicate to each other, as far as I know. So anyway, there you go.
It has a screen to show which size of money is running low or empty. I love Indonesia.
All right, so me and Mimi just learned a hard lesson, so you guys don't have to. If you are in Bali and you ran out of currency, like you spent all your money, you don't have any cash left, you need to get your money, go to BNI Bank.
ATM
Go to the BNI ATMs. They're very trusted. Yeah, moral of the story, they are trusted. They do not have ATM fees. I went to an ATM in freaking Circle K and I had canceled transaction once I realized the ATM fee was 30 USD. Why did it give me 500 rupiah? They basically charged me $30 to get $30 even after I hit cancel. That pissed me off. So we learned this so y'all don't have to BNI Bank.
Pertama kali Nina menggunakan ATM di Indonesia.
Hey man, what are you doing up there? What's taking so long? Sorry, I'm just getting money out. It's payday. Now what are you doing? I'm getting phone credit, okay? Come on man, hurry up. Yeah, hold on.
Nah ini guys, seorang bule melakukan parodi di Indonesia. Isi parodinya ini guys, itu menampilkan keunggulan-keunggulan yang ada di dalam ATM guys. Ini lucu loh guys ya. Ya kita saksikan guys.
I'm buying a train ticket. Just wait. A train ticket? Can't you do that at the train station? I love you. Did you just say I love you to the ATM machine? Hey, relax. I'm ordering a wife. Oh.
Di dalam parodinya, itu ATM Indonesia bisa mesan istri loh guys katanya.
Of course, because that's something you do at an ATM, right? Why don't we name him Joey Jr.? So you're telling me you can make a family at an ATM machine in Indonesia? You can do anything, man. Anything? Anything.
No. No.
Antri ya boleh, antri. Pelayanan ya kayak Indonesia gitu. Dan kita bisa mengambil kesimpulan bahwa kita di Indonesia ini udah memiliki teknologi yang maju loh guys, dibandingkan dengan negara lain. Contohnya kayak di mesin ATM nih guys, kita udah bisa banyak fitur-fitur canggih yang ada ditawari dibandingkan dengan yang ada di Amerika atau daerah lainnya. Jadi berbanggalah kita jadi orang Indonesia guys, dan terima kasih.